Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, it's shout out time again, so thanks to these ladies for commenting in my previous video. It's really appreciated when you take the time to make comments, so thank you. So this video, we are going to be talking about Model 1's Black Friday sale. I have a brand new kit they're offering at Black Friday. So I will have those links down in the description so that this kit that I'm going to be showing you, you will be able to purchase on sale. And I will be doing client's nails with this kit as well. So keep watching, and at the end we'll be doing that. So to start with, this kit is an 8 solid cream gel warm glitter set kit, and this kit is amazing. You have everything in this kit in order to do a full set of nails, and it's such a good price at $39.50 US. And there is so much in this kit. There's a bottom layer as well that I'll be showing you. So I'm just getting started with the poly gels. So there's 3 different poly gels. The one I just showed you was the white. There is also a clear poly gel, and there is also a pink one, and I'll be opening the pink up so that you can see the color. It's a transparent, really nice pink. And Model 1's polygels are really good polygels. So with these polygels, you're able to sculpt a full polygel nail extension on your nail. And there's the pink. Like I said, it's just a really nice transparent pink. If you want to see my other Model 1's kit that I reviewed, it had this exact pink, and I did put it on a swatch stick, so I'll have that card in the top right hand corner and you can see that poly gel better. And so also in this kit comes gel cleanser wipe, so it's like a isopropyl alcohol type wipe, so you can wipe off sticky inhibition layers from the poly gel with that. Also in this kit is a soak off base coat and a no wipe top coat, and of course there's the 8 cream gels, and a few of them are glitter gels, and this one is 024, and this one happens to be a glitter gel. It is absolutely beautiful. You guys know I love pink, and it has almost like a gold shimmer in it. It's so pretty. So that's the first one. And these cream gels and glitter gels have such great coverage. You could use them for nail art as well, or full coverage nails. They're just so nice. So the one I'm showing you is 032, and it is a really pretty neutral, almost beige color. I really like this one. So this is a really nice brown, 033. It's hard to find a really nice brown, and I honestly really like this one. It's not too dark. It's kind of like a chocolatey brown. I just really think it's very, very nice. And this one is a really pretty purple, 034. And this one is 022. It's a really beautiful warm shade. This color is just so nice. So this one is 004, and it's a beautiful pink. It's just a nice warm pink. Like, it's not too light, it's not too dark. I just really, really like this pink. I think Model 1's knew I loved pinks because there's so much pink in this kit, and they're all so pretty. So this is a nice glitter gel, and this is a silvery glitter gel, and the number on that one is 001. And I did a review on these glitter gels, and there was a set of them, and they were so pretty. So that card is up in the top right hand corner if you want to see that video with all the glitter gels that were in that little kit that I reviewed. And this one is 005, and it's a stunning glitter gel. You'll see that when I show you here. Just beautiful. So that is it for all of the cream gels and glitter gels in this kit. There's so many pretty ones. And now I'm going to lift up the top part, and down below there's many more items in this kit. That's where I said it's such a good deal. You get so many things in these kits for a good price. Now Model 1's also has in this kit, it's a UV LED mini lamp. I love these lamps. And again, this one's pink. I think they know I love pink. It's a beautiful pink little mini UV LED lamp, and these work so well. If you don't have room for a big one, or if you want to do your nails when you're traveling, there's so many options to use these little lights. And I'm just pulling up the leg so you can see that it can either stand up like that, or you can have the legs closed, and as you can see, the lights are still there, so you can use it just like that. And here's the power cord for it. It goes in there, and it just goes into your phone charger. So also in the lamp box, it just has a certification that it's been tested. The instruction manual is here. I'm not going to explain that all to you because I've shown them in other videos. It's pretty straightforward on using them. They're, like I said, really good UV LED lamps. So there's the instructions. So I'm just going to put it away now and show you everything else in the box. So many nice things. So now here are the dual forms for the poly gel. These Model 1s dual forms are really, really good. They have a nice curve on them. They also send some soak off wipes. So what you do is you open that up, take the wipe out, put it on your nail, and it has acetone on it, and then you wrap the outer package around them and they soak for 10 minutes. This is a wheel of AB crystals. So in this wheel, there's all different sizes. They're just so pretty. And they also sent striping tape. Such a great idea to throw a bunch of different colors of striping tape into this box. You can do so many designs with striping tape. I love that they put that in there. And they also have a file, 180 grit file. That's the grit of files I always use. And here is a cuticle remover. Again, pink. Love it. And they also sent the softest brushes in these kit. These are such nice brushes. They've honestly thought of everything that you need to do a set of nails. And here is a really good cuticle pusher. So there's just a couple more items in the box I'm going to be sharing with you, and then we'll be getting started on with my client's nail design using this box of products. So this is the brush that comes with the kit, and I love these brushes. It has a lid on it, as you saw, so you just put it on the other side and then it's the full brush. These really are nice for applying those cream gels and glitter gels. And the very last thing I'm going to show you is a nice sharp tweezer, and this would be great for applying those AB crystals or even applying the striping tape to move it where you want. Just a nice set of tweezers in the box. So I'm just going to put it all back. As you can see, it's a beautiful set. Like I said, I'll have the links down in the description for the Black Friday sale and for this kit. Now, I also got from Model 1s some acrylic clear powder, and I'm going to be using this in the nail design. It didn't come in the kit, but they did send me this, so I wanted to share that they do have clear acrylic powder. So like I said, I'll be using this on my client. I'll explain as I get there what I'll be using it for. So I removed this client's gel already with my e-file, and now I'm just getting rid of the cuticle on the nail using the cuticle pusher that was in the kit, and it works really well for scraping off that cuticle. You really want to remove that, or it would cause lifting if you didn't. So once I was done that, I'm going to take the brush, that beautiful soft brush that's in the kit, and remove the dust off her nails now that I'm done filing. And I did wipe with nail prep, and to clean off the dust, now I'm applying my Young Nails Protein Bond before applying the Model 1's base coat. And this is out of the kit, and this base coat I'll apply to all of the nails, and I'm not going to cure them yet, because this client prefers that she has acrylic powder added to her natural nail in the gel polish for strength. So I'm going to be applying that Model 1's clear acrylic once I apply this base coat, and like I said, I don't cure it, and then I will be sprinkling that Model 1's clear acrylic into the polish. I didn't use the poly gel in this video because this client loves having this service, so I will use the poly gel another time on another client. But anyways, I'm going to take that clear acrylic, like I said, and sprinkle it all over her nails, and once they're all covered, I will cure for 60 seconds. So once her nails were cured, I'm taking 180 grit file and filing her nails. I could have used that file out of the kit because it's the same grit, but I wasn't thinking and I grabbed one of my other ones. So that's okay, just so you know, that would work exactly the same as this file for doing these nails. So the next step is buffing the nails. Because of the acrylic, you need to smooth it over before applying any gel polishes or cream gels, just so that you have a smoother surface to work on. So once I get that done, I will dust off her nails and I will take some isopropyl alcohol and clean off that dust, and then I'll get started on the Christmas design that I'll be doing on this client with the Modelones cream gels and glitter gels. So this client is going on a trip to Mexico right away. So she wants a Christmas theme, but just something lighter for being in the sun. So I took the 004 out of the Modelones kit that I showed you, and I'm applying it to, I think we'll be doing 3 of the nails in this, and I'll be doing a couple coats of it. The cream gels have really great coverage. They're very opaque. So once I get those 3 nails done, they cure for 30 seconds. Before I do the thumb in that pink, I'm going to do the index finger in the 024 glitter gel out of the kit. This glitter gel is just absolutely stunning. It pairs so nice with the pink. It has almost like a gold glitter in it. It's just so pretty. So I'll do 2 coats of that on this nail as well, and they'll of course cure for 30 seconds again each. So on the ring finger, we're going to be applying a white gel polish because she's going to have a sweater nail on this nail. So I'll do 2 coats of it and cure for 30 seconds each. So a couple videos ago, I did a sweater nail with these decals. So if you want to watch that, you just go back a couple videos. Anyways, so I really love these decals, but we decided we were going to do the white one, and I will still show you doing it. But when it was on, I just felt that it was not noticeable enough. Like, I don't know if it needs a darker color under it, or it's just going to be that light, but we weren't happy with it in the end. So you'll see later on what I do to fix this nail. But I am showing you how to apply that decal anyways. I'd soaked for 10 seconds. I removed it from the backing. Now I position it on her nail. And once I get it positioned and all of the creases out, and I will take some acetone, and it just removes the rest of the decal around the cuticle. So now I'm just going to apply one more coat to the pink nails, and then they'll cure for 30 seconds as well once I get them done. So going with the Christmas theme, we decided to use some white snowflakes. So on the middle finger, I'm going to be stamping that with these really pretty snowflakes. So the decal was an easy fix. I kind of went along with what was already on the decal, and we're going to do some cable knit sweater nails. So I'm just drawing the design with white, and I'm not going to cure it yet. So I'm going to get it fully drawn, and then I'm going to be taking that Modelones clear acrylic, and I'm going to be sprinkling it over these nails, and they'll cure for 60 seconds, and it gives you that really cute cable knit sweater look. It's just an easy fix, and it's always nice that you can change things if they don't quite look right or seem right, and you still end up with a really nice nail. So now that that sweater nail is cured, I'm taking Modelones top coat that was in the kit, and I'm going to cover up all of her nails. And once they're all covered up, it will cure for 60 seconds. And that cable knit sweater nail is done. I didn't have to cover it up. So I want to thank Modelones for sending me this warm cream gel, glitter gel kit to share with you. You guys, it is an amazing deal. The links are down in the description, so make sure you use those links in order to purchase this kit or any of their products. They have some great sales going on for Black Friday, so check those out. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.